I'm Lauren Fix, the car coach. I'm here at the Buick LaCrosse Drive for a brand new suspension invention that was developed by GM. And I'd like to introduce you to Jim Federico, who is the chief engineer for the Buick LaCrosse. And tell us what you designed.
We designed a brand new hyperstrut suspension. What the hyperstrut means to you and to your audience. A couple things. Number one, it will have, if you have a hot rod type of customer that loves to put some power to the ground, in this car you won't feel any torque steer that you'd normally feel in a high-powered front-wheel drive car. But more importantly for everyone else, this will give a much better cornering performance, much better grip, much better performance in how it steers. And I don't care if it's wet weather or any type of weather. If you have a really rough road and normally feeling quite a bit of feedback in your steering wheel that you don't feel too comfortable with, this basically eliminates it all. It is extremely smooth and allows the customer to always drive with great security, better cornering performance than we think anything in the segment.
Wow, and so when you're talking about this is designed in-house by General Motors?
Totally designed in-house. We developed it as a team from our experts in North America, experts in Europe that joined together to have the best talent of the company worldwide, and they came up with this design, and we've actually been working on it for 4.5 years. Had some tough times getting it through, but the performance has been outstanding, and we met all our requirements, in fact exceeded our requirements, and have some performance numbers that we didn't really plan on achieving.
Well, I just spent some time in the car driving it around. There's a substantial difference over the previous LaCrosse, and now it's only available in certain models for this year. So what models would that be?
Correct. The top level CXS, the Buick LaCrosse CXS, which comes with a 3.6 liter V6, decked out with every component set you can need. So we're giving that customer that's looking for everything, including coming this year in the new model change in all-wheel drive. So every CXS, whether it's a front-wheel drive or all-wheel drive, will get this hyperstrut front suspension.
And there really is a difference when you drive it compared to the previous suspension. And the interesting thing is because it has a little bit more weight, it doesn't decrease the fuel economy. So you're really gaining a lot of benefit from this.
Yeah, not only that, it's better because you're always putting the power to the road in every condition, so you're not ever losing. It's much more efficient, and overall ride quality is better. In fact, it actually makes the front end feel a little lighter when you're driving it.
I did notice that there was a lot lighter feel. Well, I thank you very much for your time, and GM really has put out an impressive vehicle here in the Buick LaCrosse. If you haven't driven one, go take one for a test drive. I promise you, you will be impressed. I'm Lauren Fix.